After the current NEET result, are you really confused whether you should go in for the next year NEET 2027, or you should take a private seat right now from NEET 2026? It all depends on whether you have time or you have money. Okay, if you have time, prepare for the next NEET exam. Okay, why? Because a government seat over a period of 3 years, you will get a stipend of approximately 36 lakh rupees in 3 years. You have to earn that amount. Okay, but if you take a private seat right now, your fees, if you are having a good rank and you just pay the fees for a good private college, you're going to be charged anywhere between 5 to 10 lakh rupees easily. So on an average, it's going to be around 10 lakh rupees for a good branch. So you end up spending at least 30 lakh rupees, okay, for a good private college, and it can go up to sometimes like 40-45 lakhs as well. So imagine studying for 1 year and earning 35 lakh rupees, or joining right now and spending around 35 to 40 lakh rupees. The call is yours. If you have enough money, you can easily join a private college, and if you have time, I only had time, I never had the money. So I prepared for the next year. So you can also prepare for next year and earn that 36 lakh rupees over a period of 3 years. If you want our help, ACE Achievers is always there to help you for guidance as well as preparation. We are launching our revision series. If you have a good rank, you can always prepare for the next year and for the best. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.